Welcome to CyberBytes Hub. Today we're diving deep into the MSI Titan 18HX, a powerhouse gaming laptop that's making waves in 2024. With cutting-edge specs and premium features, let's see if it lives up to the hype. The MSI Titan 18HX is engineered for gamers and content creators who crave performance. Priced at a staggering $5,399.99, it's definitely an investment, but does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. CPU. At the core of this beast is the Intel Core i9-14900HX. This 14th gen processor offers impressive speeds and multitasking capabilities, perfect for demanding applications and gaming. GPU. Coupled with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090, you get stunning graphics performance. While it doesn't offer a massive jump over previous generations, it still provides an incredible experience for both gaming and content creation. Display. One of the standout features of the Titan 18HX is its 18-inch mini-LED display, boasting a resolution of 3840x2400 and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This screen not only delivers vibrant colors, but also ensures a fluid gaming experience. Memory and storage. With a whopping 128GB of RAM and 4TB of SSD storage, this laptop has more than enough power and space for all your games, applications, and media files. This makes it an excellent choice for video editors and content creators as well. Weight. However, all this power comes at a cost, literally and physically. Weighing in at 7.93 pounds, 3.6 kilograms, it's on the heavier side, which may affect portability for some users. The MSI Titan 18HX isn't just about raw specs, it also offers a great user experience. The clicky mechanical keyboard is a joy to type on, whether you're gaming or working. The tactile feedback enhances both typing speed and accuracy. In terms of thermal management, MSI has designed the Titan 18HX to handle heat effectively, allowing for extended gaming sessions without thermal throttling. In summary, the MSI Titan 18HX is a remarkable laptop that combines powerful performance with an outstanding display and a premium build. While its price tag may not be for everyone, if you're serious about gaming or content creation, this laptop could be a worthy investment. Let us know in the comments what you think about the MSI Titan 18HX. Is it worth the price? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.